is now time that I call on stage Mr. Akbari from Petromax for his address. Let's welcome Mr. Akbari from Petromax. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to call him up the stage for his address. He's here on behalf of Petromax, Mr. Akbari. Over to you.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to REX conference and my presentation about Petromax company. I'm so glad to be there and introduce our company. This is a good opportunity for me. Thank you. We are in Petromax. Petromax is a general trading company. We are a leading procurement company, mostly active in feedstock and raw material procurement to support several industries like home appliances, automotive, textile, chemicals, and so on. I will give more detail in next slide. Actually, Petromax located in Jebel Ali Free Zone, Jafza. So there is a strategic warehouse to support the procurement. Yes, in Petromax, we are transferring top ideas from market intelligence and customer intelligence into applicable strategies to procure feedstock and raw material for many industries. We are tackling with bottleneck of the procurement because we have a good experience and relationship in this regard. We are finding bottlenecks and try to tackling them. And we also have some implementation to do agile procurement. Somehow we are a stronger relationship with the customer, with the suppliers. So there is a good support for our customers to improve their supply chain. We are a leading procurement company in Petromax. Our mission is a steady, smart, and a strategic procurement. As I told you, we are fighting with bottlenecks, and we have some competencies. Most of them is we have a well-experienced management team. For more than 2 decades, we are engaged in this area and this business. We also have some technical supporting and marketing experts to find our customer requirement and solve them. Petromax is also a customer-oriented solution by sourcing and CI and MI, as I told you. Deep marketing analysis of upstream supply and downstream demand is also another competency we have. We also have lots of warehouse worldwide, mainly UAE, China, South Korea, Malaysia, Turkey, and Germany. We also have a good connection with logistics service, so we can easy supply and reduce the ROC and transit time. The products we are engaging in Petromax are categorized mainly in 8. The first one is master batch. I will explain them in detail in next slide. Second one is compound. The next one is additives, polymers, rubbers, chemical, textile, and agriculture. The first category is master batch. Master batch is carrier material in compounding industry. Carrier materials are petrochemical products like polypropylene, polyethylene, polycarbonate, ABS, and like this. Some additives are added in master batch to improve the base polymer. Like UV stabilizer, I will explain in next slide about the additives. Some pigments also is used in master batches to provide colored master batch, white master batch, black master batch. Their task is to make the color different in the final product. And the last one is mineral. Titanium dioxide, as you know, is the main mineral product that added as an additive to the master batch. The next category is compound. Compound is an alternative way of using master batch. We can use the base polymer and improve its mechanical properties by adding some additives. Most of the compounds are engineering compounds like ABS, POE, PMMA. They are mostly used in home appliances and automotive industry. Another compounds is reinforced by glass fibers that mechanical and physical properties will be improved. There are also some rubber compounds like MBR, SMR. They are using mostly for automotive and packaging. The next categories is about additives. As I told you, for master batch and compounds, we use some additives. Most of the famous additives is titanium dioxide. The next one is glass fiber, waxes, pigments, UV stabilizer, antioxidant. These additives are added to the base polymer to improve the mechanical and physical properties of base polymer. We also engage in base polymers. Most of them are like polypropylene, polyethylene, ABS, both injection and extrusion grade, HIPS, general purpose polyestyrene, polyacetals, EVA, polycarbonate. These polymers are base polymers that used in compounding, and as I told you, they are in automotive and home appliance industries. The next categories and products that we are engaged in Petromax is rubbers. Rubbers, they are mostly EPDM, MBR, SMR, SBR. They are using for automotive and packaging industry as well. Another categories is chemicals. In Petromax, we provide some chemicals for vast of industries. The main importance are LAB, HAB, N-paraffin, potassium hydroxide, potassium carbonate, phenol, and like this. In textile industry, we also some connections, and we can provide the raw material. The most famous one is fibers and disperse and reactive dyes, optical brightener. They are mostly used in fabrics and textile industry. And the last categories is agriculture. In agriculture fields, we are mainly engaged in fertilizer, monoammonium phosphate, monopotassium phosphate, NPK fertilizers, pesticide, fungicide, and herbicide is also another product that we have a good relationship with the top manufacturers throughout the world, and a good supplier for these materials. As I told you, Petromax, that is well experienced in business and procurement, is a reliable and safe supplier to you, and we are capable of providing raw material and feedstock for vast of industries. We located in Jebel Ali, Free Zone, Jafza. We also have our office in Business Bay. In our website, we completely introduce about our services and products, and hope to have opportunity to work with you all. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Akbari, for letting us know the wonderful array of products that Petromax has, and we're so happy that you've spared out time and joined us here for your presentation. Thank you so much, Mr. Akbari.